Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's Satsanga, we will know about the three forms of Durga, namely Kushmanda Durga, Skandamata Durga, and Katyayani Durga. Introduction to Durga Puja Part 2. Durga means the divine who destroys the evil things, which protects her devotee from all types of tantric attacks, harmful effects, and evil attacks. Let us see the topics which we will discuss in this satsanga. The first topic we will discuss who is Kushmanda Durga, Skandamata Durga, and Katyayani Durga. Second topic we are going to discuss how to worship Mother Kushmanda, Mother Skandamata, and Mother Katyayani with Siddha Durga mantra. And third topic we will discuss benefits of worshipping Durga Mata. Now let us go through all details one by one topic. First, let us see who is Kushmanda Durga Mata. Kushmanda means a mother who has the capacity to create Brahmandas with her beautiful smile. She resides in Surya Mandala. She has the capacity to live in the Surya Mandala. Her complexion is similar to the rays of Surya Prakasha. She is the fourth form of Adi Durga Mata. No one in the universe is capable of matching the beauty of a mother. Her Tejas Tattva is present in each and every particle present in the universe. She has 8 hands, hence she is also known as Ashtabhuja. She holds Kamandalu, Dhanusha, arrows, lotus flower, Amrita Kalasha, Chakra, and Gada in her 7 hands. And in her 8th hand, she holds Siddhi Mala. She has a lion as her vehicle. The 4th day of Navratri is devoted to her puja. Hence, every devotee must worship Mother Kushmanda on this day. A devotee must concentrate on Anahata Chakra, imagine Kushmanda Mata and worship her. So these were the details of Mother Kushmanda. Now let us see other forms of Mother Durga. Who is Skandamata Durga? Skandamata Durga is the 5th form of Mother Durga. Skanda is the other name for Kartika Swami. Hence, mother is named after his name, the mother of Kartik Swami. On the 5th day of Navratri, the devotee must worship mother, concentrating on his Vishuddhi Chakra. She holds Kartik Bhagavan seated on her lap. Mother has 4 hands. One hand holds Kartik Swami, other 2 above hands holds 2 lotus flowers in both hands, and one hand is always ready to give boons to her devotees. She has a pure white complexion. She is seated on a lion. She also sits on lotus flower asana, hence also called Padmasana. She is the super divine force of the Surya Mandala. Whatever sunlight that we get, trees and herbs gets, Tejas Tattva of Kushmanda Mata helps in our all over growth. She resides in our Vishuddhi Chakra. Hence, worshipping her, we activate our Vishuddhi Chakra. Worshipping Mother, we also indirectly worship Kartik Swami. Hence, devotees of Mother gets blessings of Kartik Bhagavan. These were the details of Mother Skandamata. Let us see other forms of Durga. Who is Katyayani Durga? Katyayani Durga Mata is the 6th form of Mother Durga. The form of the mother is beautiful and calm in nature. According to one of the stories written in scriptures, Katyayan Rishi had done thousands of years tapasya. Adi Shakti Mata gave him a boon that she will take birth in his house. Hence, she was named Katyayani. According to another story, Mahishasura, the demon, was unstoppable from his cruel karmas. Hence, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahmadeva, and Lord Rudra released their Tejas Tattva to mix with each other. The birth of the mother took place from three different Tejas Tattva. Katyayana Rishi was the first to worship her, hence she was given the name Katyayani. The deity of Vrajabhumi, where Sri Krishna lived most of his life, is Katyayani Devi. Gopikas of Sri Krishna was always worshipping Katyayani mother, praying that they should get Sanidhya of Lord Sri Krishna. She has a golden complexion, have four beautiful hands. She holds a sword in one hand and a lotus flower in her other hand. With the other two hands, mother gives Abhayadan and Varadan to her devotees. She is seated on a lion. On the sixth day of Navratri, the devotee must worship Katyayani Mata in his Ajna Chakra. All sins of devotee are washed by the grace of Mother, who worship her on this day of Navratri. So these were the details of three Mother Durgas. Now let us see the Siddha mantras of these three Durgas. How to worship Mother Durga with Siddha Durga mantra. Here I am going to tell you the Siddha mantras of all three Durga mothers. These mantras have the power of a divine mother which will bless you and your family. These mantras are programmed by my Gurudev Sri Shiva Premananda Ji. It is the gift from my Gurudev to all devotees who wants to get the grace of Mother. These mantras are Siddha mantras. You don't have to take any diksha to chant them. They all are activated by Sri Shiva Premananda Ji in such a way that anyone on this earth can chant it and get the grace and help in your life to solve your problems. I request you all, please don't use these mantras to harm anyone on the earth. Otherwise, the effects of mantras will harm you. It may cause other effects which you may not expect in your life. Chant one of the mantra every day at least 108 times till you solve your all problems. Whatever problems it may be, like a family relationship problem, financial problem, or any type of negative attack. Just pray to Mother to solve your problems. Don't ask to harm anyone. Let Mother decide how to solve your problems. Please chant the mantras at least 108 times each mantra in Navratri on their respective days. If you want to chant every day all mantras, then you may chant at least 9 times or 27 times or 54 times or 108 times each mantra daily. Please decide yourself according to your schedule of daily prayer. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Kushmanda Durga Mata. Om Bhrim Srim Kushmanda Durgayai Namaha. Om Bhrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Skanda Mata Durga. Om Bhrim Srim Skanda Mata Durgayai Namaha. Om Bhrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Katyayani Durga. Om Bhrim Srim Katyayani Durgayai Namaha. Om Bhrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. So these were the Siddha mantras. Now let us see the benefits of these Siddha mantras. The first Kushmanda Siddha Durga mantra will protect you from all negativities and helps in curing all types of diseases. Devotee will gain a long and healthy life. It will activate devotee's Anahat Chakra. All Shaktis of Anahat Chakra and Mother Kushmanda will start helping you to solve your problems. The Skanda Mata Siddha Durga mantra will help you to gain self-control over negative emotions. Devotee of mother gets similar complexion like Surya Bhagavan, and it helps devotees in his life to grow spiritually and materially. It will give the devotee all around success in his life. Devotee of Skandamata gets the grace of Kartik Swami. Vishuddhi Chakra will get activated. All Shaktis of Vishuddhi Chakra will start helping devotees of Skandamata in his life. All types of negative doshas can be removed with this mantra and protects you from all types of negative energies and tantric attacks. The Katyayani Siddha Durga mantra will help you to remain calm and always help devotees to become confident in every situation, which helps your inner and outer progress. All types of sins done by you can be removed by this mantra. Where the devotee of Katyayani goes, negativity cannot stand there for a long time. Agnya Chakra gets activated by the mantra of Mother Katyayani. All types of negative and tantric attacks, negative beings, harmful effects can be removed by this mantra. These were the benefits of chanting Siddha Durga mantra. These are some of the benefits. So these were the details of all three Durga mothers. In today's satsanga we saw three divine forms of Mother Durga. In the next satsanga we will see the next three divine forms of Mother Durga, which are the last three of the 9 Durga mothers. We will also see their Siddha mantras and benefits. Thank you all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.